Hey cuties, it's your girl Kpcutie with another video. Today I'm making a floppable straw hat made out of Dollar Tree straw hats. Which, if you guys are going to enjoy this video, make sure you like, subscribe, comment down below which part of the video you like. Don't forget to hit the little bell to be notified of the video. And don't forget to follow my social media pages, and let's get into this video. So first up, you're going to take 4 straw hats. You're going to take, at least keep one, and you're going to start taking them apart. Except for one, you're going to take that one half apart, like where the top where the hat is structured, based off structure, you're going to keep that, but the rest you're going to start taking apart by one. I'm going to give you guys a little hint in this video. The ribbon I'm going to save and reuse that for another project, so stay tuned for my channel for the next project. Now here we are taking the hat apart by seam, which make sure you guys be careful with cutting out your seams, because you don't want to end up nipping the hat, which sometimes that happens. I get it, but this we just gotta make sure we be careful and cut around the edges of the seams and make sure we're not going to hit that. Oh, before I forget to mention, guys, as you see, I'm doing the black hat. This is gonna be the prototype for when I do the real hat, and because basically I'm making 2 hats in one day, so I'm making the black hat first, and then I make the beige or tan hat, as you'll say, later on where I have the pictures done. But right now I'm making the black hat as just to simply show you guys how to create yours. Now, as I said before, cuties, where you're gonna need just one hat just for the base start, so you don't want to take, at least on the 4th hat, you don't take apart all of it, just take it around the edge seam and make sure that the hat or part where it fits on your head is still intact. And then you're gonna take the others, the rest of the straw hats that we took apart, and we're gonna sew them all back together to make one big, large, floppable hat. Now you're going to sew all of it around the edge of the hat and basically make sure it's at least even enough, like at least you get like a tiny bit of sewing them down. I know it seems complicated, but it's not really complicated. It's actually really pretty easy. Like, this is one of the simple and easy things to do. All you gotta do is make sure everything stay lined and straight, and make sure there's no holes. Like, you're easily able to like forget parts where you're gonna have like there's like seam that's open. All you gotta do is just make sure that doesn't happen. Down below, cuties, if you guys like floppable hats, or you like kind of like flowy, fashionable hats. For me, I definitely love me for fedoras, so I'm definitely a fedora fan, but comment down below which hats do you guys like. I'm cutting off the trim of the last bit of the other hat, and I'm also cleaning up at the same time, so I'm taking off the other stitching. So I'm basically taking that off so we can work with a clean slate. So once I finish that, then we can start doing the hat. Now here we are making the beige hat or tan hat, whichever you like to prefer. And you're just going to do the same process all over again and just sew till you feel like it's the look you are looking for. If you want it to long, short, or just in the middle, just keep sewing. Or if you guys want like a bigger one, you're going to definitely need more than 4 hats. You probably need 8 hats, but we're using 4 because we just want a certain length.
Pas de soleil, 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 pas de soleil,
yes, ladies and gentlemen, because it's about time to almost finally reveal the finished look. So I hope you guys are enjoying so far this process of video. I know it's gonna be feeling like a long process. It's gonna be taking time soon, but it's all worth it at the end. Before we get into this final look, I want you guys to go ahead, comment down below straw hat, or comment down below hat or a hat emoji, whatever, to let me know that you guys are made it through like this whole entire video. Are you guys finally here now? You ready with me? Ready to see this outfit? Come on guys, I know you guys are, so you better go drop down those hats because I want to see if you guys are excited as much as I am.